In today's video, I will walk you through how to get Brevo API Key. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Brevo and access your account dashboard. Once the dashboard finishes loading, stay on the main screen where your account management and settings options are available. Now move to the top right corner of the screen and locate your profile section. Your account name or profile icon will appear in this area. Click on the profile section to open the account menu connected to your Brevo account. After the menu opens, continue by selecting SMTP and API. This will open the section where API settings and related account configurations are managed inside the platform. Depending on your account and internet connection, the page may take a few moments to load completely, so wait until all of the available options appear on the screen before continuing. Once the SMTP and API section is visible, move across the tabs shown near the top of the page. Continue by selecting API Keys and MCP. Brevo will then display the API management area connected to your account settings. After the API management page opens, move to the top right area of the screen and locate the option labeled Generate a new API key. Select this option to continue to the API key creation window. When the API key setup window appears, move to the name field and enter the name you want to use for your new API key. In this example, the name entered is Test. Continue reviewing the information shown in the window to confirm the name is entered correctly. After entering the API key name, select Generate. Brevo will begin processing the request and creating the new API key connected to your account. Wait a few moments while the process completes. Once the API key is generated, the full API key will appear on a screen. Continue reviewing the displayed information and locate the option to copy the key to your clipboard. If needed, select the copy option so you can save the key for later use. On the same page, you may also see an option to create an MCP API key. Continue reviewing the visible options shown in this section. After checking the available information, select OK to continue. Once the setup is completed, the newly created API key and MCP key information will remain visible inside the API management section of your Brevo account. If any part of the page takes a few moments to refresh or load, wait for Brevo to finish updating before continuing to the next step. After the API key appears successfully on the screen, the process for getting a Brevo API key will be completed. Thank you for watching.